In today's video, I'm doing a tree ring pour, and I'm going to be using that light purple color that I mixed up in my video 591 on how to start paint pouring. I wanted to do kind of a negative space tree ring, but I also had some ideas for doing multiple tree rings within one pour. So I also mixed up some gold, black, and white to go with my purple paint. I'm just going to use some of the white paint as my base coat and use my sponge brush to smooth it out. Each of my colors are mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. I'm not really looking for cells in this piece, so there is no Floetrol and no silicone. I really just want those nice striations that you can get from the ring pour. So I'm planning on doing a couple of different tree rings, one inside of the other, so that I can get one layer that's more just the black, white, and gold, and then the next layer will have that purple in it. And I just wanted to do something a little bit different so that there was a nice distinction between the purple and the rest of the colors. So in my first small cup, I just alternated between the white, black, and gold, and I'm just going to start with my first pour right. I didn't put it directly in the middle of the painting, I put it more towards one side, and then I will tilt it out to get more coverage across the canvas. In my second cup, this is where I'm going to start adding in the purple and just alternate some of those other colors again. And then I'll be pouring that right in the middle of my first tree ring pour. I'm going to pour just a little bit more paint and add one more tree ring, but I'm going to try and not add too much paint. I do want to keep some of that white negative space, and if I start adding a ton of paint, it will take up my entire canvas, and I just want some of that white so that it looks more like a stone design. Now that I had my paint poured, I just started gently tilting out my design. I tried to go slow so that I wouldn't really ruin those really nice areas of striations. I also had a couple of lumps in my paint, so I just tried to gently remove those. And then as I was tilting, just tilted out those areas so that they wouldn't look like blobs of paint right in the middle of my piece. After I was done filming, I also had some leftover paint, so I decided to do a small set of coasters. These turned out really well. I'll show a picture of those. I'll dry at the end. Instead of using a white base for those, I did a black background and then just used up my leftover paint that I had in one of my cups from one of my previous tree ring pours in as my paint to pour onto those coasters. Let me know what you think about this one down in the comments below. I really like it. It dried really nice, and I think with either some varnish or some resin, this one is gonna look really good all finished. Let me know if there are other colors that you would like to see in the tree ring pour. I do enjoy doing them time to time, and they turn out really fun and just have a different look to them compared to some of the other techniques that I do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.